Welcome to our math adventure, also known as Math Minute Masters, and I'm thrilled to share this amazing journey with you. If you are new to this channel, we make math, STEM, or related videos, and you can pause the video now if you want to try it yourself first. If not, or you want to see how to solve it, please grab a pen and a sheet of paper if you want. As you can guess, we try to finish solving every problem in a minute, usually. Oh, also please note that you will always see us doing math with background music. Please mute if you don't like it. Why add music? Because we think this can help like a white noise to concentrate or reduce distractions. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of problem solving. Remember, this is a space for questions and discussions. If you've got any thoughts or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Stay positive and keep supporting us. We will catch you in the next video.